Hi guys, Dorota Palicka, international nail artist and educator here. And today we are gonna have some fun with unreal leaves. You can have a preview of this design in here. Really nice and interesting way of achieving a nail art by transferring the real leaves, and I hope you really enjoy learning this tutorial. If you're new in here, don't forget to subscribe, as there is tutorials coming up every Monday, Wednesdays and Saturdays. And to you guys who are supporting us for such a long time, thank you so much. So let's start. I want you to look at this like and zoom it in way rather than just on the picture, because it looks actually even better on the camera. Absolutely fantastic technique, and I am so excited to show you it. So I've got my tip in here, and the first one I'm gonna paint is 202, so that's like a really nice and beautiful turquoise color. And then give it a cure. It's so fantastic, like, so as I say, my garden keeps inspiring me, and this is what we are gonna use for this nail art as well. And then on the next one I'm gonna go orange, squeeze the orange. So I want to do it all sort of different colors. And then give it a cure as well. And then the next one we can go maybe a purple one. Spin the night. Oh, yeah, well, let's do purple. And then cure it too. Okay, my next step is to grab High Shine No Wipe Top Gel and apply it over it. We want to cure the top coat for 60 seconds. And make sure you kind of apply it pretty nice and even. I'm just searching for any imperfections. Apply it over the orange one. I'm just thinking what other colors I should use. I think it's a pretty easy and fast design. I think we should go for pink. Okay, so when my tips are curing, in the meantime, I'm gonna quickly paint one pink. Disco Darling is the color. Okay, my turquoise is ready. And I'm gonna grab some Aurora chrome. So bring that over the tip. That looks so pretty, actually amazing on this color. Oh, I need to probably do one more in this color. Wow, it's insane. Absolutely fantastic. Then the pink one is ready for a top coat. This one will be ready, and this one will be ready as well. Okay, so we've got 3 to play with. Bring Aurora chrome. And Aurora chrome. I think turquoise and purple, actually this one too, they all look pretty. Okay, so I'm just going to do a quick summary for you. We did color, Aurora, color, top coat, Aurora, and now I'm just applying top coat again because I need to protect my chrome. And this is the same chrome I've got over my nails as well. So it just shows you also how amazing it is and how different it looks on every color. Protect this one with the top coat. And the technique is actually pretty same as with the foam bubbles, where we kind of protecting chrome and then we impressing the design into the top coat. That's what we are gonna do it with this one. Okay, so basically that's all the first step ready. I'm just let them cure properly. And in the meantime, I'm gonna tear off some small pieces of those, I don't know the English name of it, in Polish is paprotka, but it is from my garden. And basically what you want to do is just tear it off. Patrick is searching the name. And you can go for different sizes. So I will do some very large ones and I will do some small ones too, just to show you that you can actually really play. Now, when I choose the plants, I try to grab the ones which are quite nice and soft. And this one is really nice and soft, so that means it is gonna impress into the top coat really easily. Okay, that's them ready. It is fern leaf. Okay, fern leaf. I'm not sure if I will remember, not an easy, it sounds strange. Anyway, my next step is to grab the top coat. So this way the chrome is protected and now I need a top coat to impress this design. Okay, so I'm just top coating it. If you would do it on the client, you can give it a scratches to the free edge because we are applying a top coat on top of the top coat. Make sure it's smooth enough. And then with the tweezer, I'm gonna grab, actually on the purple one, I'm gonna go quite large. I like this one. And what you do is you just place your fern something. This is the only part I remember. And I am pressing it into the nail. Okay, I'm gonna squeeze in a smaller one. And here. So I told you, like, I try to pick up a stuff which is quite nice and flexible. And this is really flexible. Okay, happy with this one. So I'm gonna give it 90 seconds cure. The reason for it is because or actually you could give it even 60 seconds cure, but the reason for a longer cure, 90 seconds, is that some parts are covered with an actual plant. So the light cannot penetrate properly through it. because it's not see-through. Give it some time so the top coat kind of takes the leaves really well. Okay, happy with this one. No, not happy. You can see it. I've got quite a large bit sticking out. Here we are, that's better. Do not play with your fingers. You don't want to be playing with uncured products. Happy with this one. Let's cook it. I'm just gonna pick this one. I feel like it's more spread. Yeah, it's definitely more spread. This was probably some seed. The only thing is you cannot move it too much. Like once you've got it in there, try to don't move it. This one actually took perfect. So with this one I will get a much nicer results. I prefer that one. And the reason for it is you can see the color of it is much lighter, which means it's not that grown. It's not that like an adult plant. It's more of a baby plant because it has a lighter color. And then cure it, and I'm going to use the same one on the last one. It's actually fun, like, to create this design because you are almost like a child waiting to unwrap the gift once you leave the plant off from it to see what kind of design it is going to turn into it. And I'm going to go for a huge one on this one. Before you put it to the lamp, let those top coats self-level a little bit. Because obviously we are moving it. And the colder in your house or a studio is the better. Like I've got very runny top coat because it's so warm in here. But anyway, the first one is ready to peel. So what is your next step? You are just gonna peel off the design. Some of it might get still stuck, but that's absolutely fine. You can see it, how pretty it is. I'm gonna finish the curing because obviously we have lifted it off from covered area. Do the same in here. And the more carefully you place your leaf, the better results you will get. Like this one actually took amazing, like the detail on it. So I'm just finishing curing it. Peel this one off. Finish curing. Finish curing. Okay, now let's grab one by one. So I've got this one, and what you can do it now is take blue scrap and just go and clean two sticking out parts, like, you know, with the chrome bubble technique we get those kind of pretty sticking out bits and pieces, so I'm basically breaking them off now. So they are not going to be catchy. That is great. And you can see it. I want to direct that. There we are. You can see it, the pattern of the leaf actually transferring into it. Really interesting design. We've got one more to collection. I've got that one here. So again, just a wipe. And you can see it comes off really, this one is actually really beautiful. This one turned it out amazing. So it comes off really easy, those leafy parts. I said that and I got stuck 2 of them. I shouldn't be saying it then. Okay, that's it, clean. And we've got another one, which I feel like, this one is my favorite one probably, because you can really see the pattern from the leaves. Let's place it there. And then grab the last 2. So again, clean it off. Another one for collection. The turquoise is definitely my favorite one, and then the purple one. And this one took amazing too. And this one, the last one, so I'm just grabbing again the blue scrap. And just cleaning everything off. So with this technique, I would say, like, if you're going for a bit darker color, it's probably better because it stands out a little bit more than on the lighter color. But I want to show you all of them, and I want to know your feedback, guys. If you enjoyed this video with the palm leaves pattern going on those design. I'm sending you huge glittery hugs and looking forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye.